So in this video we are checking what is cycle render engine. Okay, so till now we were using EV render engine. So what is the difference between EV render engine and cycle render engine? Let me explain that one first. So if you are using EV render engine, then the render it will be faster. On the other hand, if you are using the cycles, then it will take a lot of time, but it will give you a more realistic output than EV. Okay, so here you can see for EV you have a lot of options here. So for each thing you can give the values and you can set up the environment. Okay, but on other hand, if you are using cycles, then almost everything it will taken care by the cycles. Okay, it will give you more realistic output. So if you are using cycles, then you can give what device you want. So right now it is CPU is selected. If you have graphics card, then you can go for GPU compute. Okay, at that time the render it will be faster, and you have sampling here. So for both the viewport as well as render, viewport I just kept 4 sample, but you can give 32 or whatever. Okay, at that time you can see the sample it is taking 32, from 0 to 32 it will do, and the render it will complete. So more sampling means more quality you will get it. Okay, so on render it is like max sample 4000 I have given. Okay, and you have option denoise in both. Like if you want to remove the noise from your viewport, then you can check this one. At that time it will try to reduce the noises from your viewport, but by default denoise is off for viewport setting. Okay, and for render I am just using denoise. So these are the setting, and so you have motion blur and other option in cycle render engine as well, so that you can do. Okay, and right now if you are selecting this device, if you are not seeing this GPU, then you can go to edit, then you have preferences. If you are going to system, then you can see it will show you render device. Okay, right now it is none. If you are clicking here metal, then you will get Apple M4 GPU 10 core. Okay, then Apple M4, whichever you want that you can select it. Okay, then the preference it will be completed. So these are the main setting present in cycle render engine.